It's great that we're cooking together again today. Welcome to Cooking with Spirit with Wolfram Ortner. What's on the menu today? Shrimp Tricolore, that means various peppers, and spring onions. Let's get started. First with the scampi. Sauté in olive oil. If you have a problem with not having enough scampi, I'll give you a tip. You can also cut everything in half to kind of disguise the amount. But if you've bought enough, it's not a problem. I'll start cutting so we can get some heat going together. And then we can get started. The scampi. And into a pan. And then, in the meantime, cut the peppers a bit smaller so that they're somewhat bite-sized. That you can only work with sharp knives is obvious. There are now super tools, but definitely not the ones for €9.90. But special tools. They have a special price, but they also help with cooking. So it won't get smashed, but you can really cut it. Now we'll do the peppers. And a little more. Cook the scampi in the meantime, or fry, not boil of course. In the meantime we cut the green onion, very small or into little rings. Then you can just go back a little bit. Take the green part as well, so that a little more color comes in. So then the lightly sautéed scampi, take them out of the pan. At the same time, another shot. Olive oil into the pan. And the vegetables. It's difficult to get everything in there. When it comes to this dish, you can eat it cold or warm. I advise, if I can give a tip, eat it warm first. And then leave it in the fridge, and afterwards, it tastes great cold, especially in summer when it's really hot. It's a fantastic dish. So now we come to in terms of seasoning, a little curry, a little chili, not too much. You should still be able to taste something. Then, of course, salt. And what is always very important to me. If the vinegar structure doesn't fit, the whole dish won't taste right. You get a little flavor in combination with the herbs. I have calamansi vinegar here to bring in a bit of citrus notes. Let it cook down a bit. Now there would still be the option to add this white wine and pour it in. So then that came back again. And as everyone already knows, I am the 1% yogurt. Welcome. At our home, there will never be any crème fraîche or cream. The only fat in quotation marks that we actually use in abundance is olive oil. Looks really nice. And now comes a proper splash of yogurt. Yogurt in. If you have a problem with the cream curdling, then you need to work some magic. You work some magic with a bit of butter, and with the butter, you'll get a wonderful binding again. But if the vinegar is boiled out beforehand, as I have done now, it is absolutely no problem. If you look in now, it's drying out a bit. It can definitely take on a bit of an ochre color. Bring it to a quick boil again. And how is this going to be served? Yes, we're already starting to curdle a bit. Curdling. So I need to hurry up now. A beautiful piece. Bread. You'll definitely need a plate too. A ladle. The dish is ready. Have fun recreating it. And I'm already looking forward to the next cooking session together, Cooking with Spirit, with Wolfram Ortner. Have fun, all the best.